What is up, y'all? It is Monday morning, the week of Thanksgiving. The voice is doing better. We're still not there, and still all sorts of gunk that's coming out, but we are on the road to recovery. So I'm hoping in the next couple of days, hopefully by Thanksgiving Day, that we can wrap this all up. My cousin is actually getting married on Thanksgiving Day, so this will be our first Thanksgiving not celebrating at someone's house for Thanksgiving. We're going to be going to a wedding, but a lot of my family's going to be there, so we're still getting the family gathering, so that's really cool. Looking forward to that. Looking forward to seeing cousins and aunties and uncles and whatnot. And quiet as it's kept, I'm looking forward to not having to do all the things for Thanksgiving that you usually do, whether it's cooking or cleaning before or after. So changing things up this year for Thanksgiving. Obviously we won't have the leftover plates, which that part is kind of sad, but like I said, we don't have to deal with all the stuff that comes along with prepping for Thanksgiving and then afterwards. So the kids are out of school this entire week. But I'm running to Walmart really quickly because we decided now that it's holiday time, this is a perfect time to work on potty training with Jules, the little one. So today's the first day, and we thought we would get some little healthy gummies as a reward for her using the pot. It's kind of giving Fido, giving dog, but what else can you do? The child loves sweet stuff, so hey, if we can reward her with a healthy gummy when she uses the pot, then we're all winning. So yeah, I'm gonna run to Walmart really quickly, see if I can get those gummies and a couple of other items, and hopefully we have a successful day when it comes to potty training. It's been several years since we did it last time, and I don't even remember how it went last time. So like I said, hopefully this will be a success and not a fail. We'll see. So the trip to Walmart was a success, and don't we love a good quick trip to Walmart? But something that annoys me is trying to be healthier, because the math just don't be mathing. I ended up having to get two different types of gummies because the ones that wifey asked me to get, this tiny little pack that probably has like 20 gummies in it total, costs $4 and I think 32 cents or something for this tiny little bag. But then this big old bag that's got hundreds and hundreds of gummies in it, which I think are also a healthier alternative than just the regular candy ones, was $8. So y'all, please explain me how to be mathin'. $4.50 versus $8. I don't get it, but I got both. When you can't decide, why not get both? So we got both. Maybe it's because I wanted to indulge in some gummies too. Okay, so getting better has been a process and a slow one. I'm still very congested, but I am feeling a little bit better. I don't know, we just working through it. But I'm back up at the church building because I need to move the candles and equipment and stuff back. Well, I need to pack up the candles, and then the equipment that we took over to that other building to have service needs to go back to the auditorium so that we can use it for this coming Sunday. So I need to go work on that. Something that I found out though that I did not know until I did some research, but antibiotics, if you have seborrheic dermatitis, because I guess that has to do with yeast. And when you're taking antibiotics kill not just the bad bacteria, but also the good bacteria. And so yeast production can increase. And so I was like, why is my seborrheic dermatitis flaring up? Like, whoa. And I don't even know if you can see it or if it's coming off on camera, but It has been really bad these last couple of days. So I'm glad I'm done taking the antibiotics. Hopefully we'll get that under control soon. But it's a little tidbit that I was not aware of that now I am. What are you up to, Tori?
Doing this. I'm gonna make this Starbucks coffee cup that I got yesterday with my dad. So do this.
And you just keeping it around?
Huh?
You just keeping it around the Starbucks cup?
Yeah.
Nice.
With nothing gonna be in it, not even milk.
Is your name on it?
Yeah.
Nice.
And then I have this It's a blue squishy penguin. You can like put it on your finger.
Show me.
You can like put it on your finger like this. And this, it fits on here.
Nice.
And makes
Very
it
nice.
cute. Starbucks cup.
You said take a picture. Why are you running and hiding if you said take a picture? Silly girl. Hee 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 hee. What is up, FLocers? So yesterday we went to my cousin's wedding on Thanksgiving Day. It was a really nice ceremony. She kept it small, and yeah, it was just a really beautiful time well spent with family. It was a little bit of a family reunion with a Thanksgiving menu. But yeah, I loved every moment of it. Just getting to see her happy and marry the guy that she has decided to do life with, and just their love and happiness. Can't think of, oh, y'all, it's the medicine, I promise you. But yeah, I'm so happy that she is happy, and that, yeah, I got to be a part of her wedding and just be there. Her mother, my aunt, was not able to be there in person, but thank God for technology. We were able to get her in on WhatsApp, which is really cool. But yeah. So now it is Friday, Black Friday, and the Christmas attire, the Christmas spirit, all of that is coming out. We are finally fully letting Mariah Carey and her "It's Time" slogan into our household. So we are decorating, putting up the tree and all that good stuff, taking down the fall decor and putting up winter and Christmas decorations. So excited about that.
silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother.